So hey guys, I'm here with my dog. See? She's very friendly. Her name is Pinky because she's all pink. She is a little bit shy. So she's gonna be, so I'm gonna sit her down right here. You sit right there. Okay, Pinky, you stay. So, clear. Wait, I need to do something. I need to move this. Oh my god, that's not in the way. Should I do clear or white? Let me move that. Probably not right now. So not right now. Okay. I'm gonna lay you down. Okay, now I'm gonna grab it, but you guys cannot see. So yeah. Okay, I'm back with this one. Which one? Oh my god, I'm about to slip. Okay, which one, Pinky? I don't have to hold her because she's very tired. Which one? A white and oh, you want this one also? I guess I've been making both of them because she really wants to.
Mày nó dục phục bởi ta đi, phút đầu. Sao nè? Ủa sao thức ta lỡ?
Okay, so Pinky, you want both of them, right? Okay.
Mày, tháo đầu chị ra đi mày.
Oh, okay.
Ít bây giờ này mày muốn tháo đầu cho tao nó đó. Em của ba cái đầu bên lông nhỏ à? Cái nó.
You're gonna hear the music.
Yeah, I did. Ấy nó không nhỏ nó.
Oh my gosh, you're there. No, no, no. Back! Now it's time to add. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, Pinky, where are you going? Pinky saying you're sweet. Oh my god, I can't break it. So I just got in the mixing tool, and this is which one? Oh my god, okay. And I'm just mixing it. Mark. And this is how it should look like. It's like kind of like white, but like not like super white. So yeah, I'm gonna go some water so you guys will see me. Okay. So yeah. So oh my god. So I'm back. It's pretty. I don't know if this activator works. I'm gonna try. Because I can try that. Oh my god, that was a lot. Okay, guess.
What?
No more, Pinky. Oh no, you got slime stuck on you. Guys, it's stuck. I can't pull it. Guys, it's literally stuck. Oh my god. Okay, I got that one. I'm gonna put you somewhere, and you're gonna be picking my colors. So should I? Oh my. So should I use blue or should I use red? Let me bring you somewhere. Okay. Okay, which one? That one. Okay, I guess we're having that one. Not having the blue. So I'm gonna do something that you guys cannot watch because you need supervision. Parent supervision. So yeah. So you will need scissor. Wait. So I'm done. So I just apple. And my mom is doing that right now because I can't do it. So my mom is doing it. So yeah. Okay, so let's see guys. Oh my god, can't press it. Okay. Guys, so I got it. This was so hard. Oh no, it touched it. Okay, now, oh my god, that just bounced right off. I'm a little bit scared because it's already coming off. So when I'm done doing this, I'll be able to show you guys. But you just want to like squeeze like all of the red dye. So when I'm done, I'm done. Oh my god, I don't want to touch it. It was such a mess. But I have to touch it. Look at the bowl, guys. It's so messy. It's not. I want to do this. The ribbon. Okay. It's sticking my hand. Okay. This time we're gonna stand like that. Okay. Do now then. Almost, I'm gonna go back to the activator. Yes, you're not gonna see because I'm gonna take a long time. And I had to do that way, so yeah. Guys, look what I made. This is Bob. Bob says hi. No one answers me. Guys, I just sit back from the shower. This is this one. So put this somewhere that you guys will never know. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna make part 2 of this because this is taking me too long. Oh my god, it's too tired. She did that.
Okay,
She did that.
this is a fake dog. It's not real.
Yeah.
See?
But we're gonna do part 2.
Like,
But we're
that's
not-
me barking all the time.
Yeah. But we're not gonna put the dog because we're gonna use activator.
It's because. So, bye.
We're gonna do part 2. Bye.